Follow the steps on how to make a logo with the width tool like this in Illustrator. Here I have prepared the baseline that we will change. Select and enlarge the stroke weight. Then activate the width tool and make it like this. You can move the point if needed. Hold Alt to widen only one side. Change the color. Go to Object and expand Appearance. Then go to Pathfinder and click Unite. Press A and select All. Object, Path and Simplify. Just click Auto Simplify. Press A and click this point, and remove the anchor point. Adjust the position of the point. Select and use the curvature tool to tidy up the object. Use Smooth to get better results. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.